it just shows how much we cared, and it shows how much we wanted it, and not just for ourselves, but for Kevin Tellez and for his family. You know, these guys are men of their words. They say what they're gonna do, and they go out and do it. You know, and there's more than 10 of them. I mean, I'm talking about a group of 20 of them. You know, it's just they are a tight family, and they were tight to Kevin, and it meant so much to him to come out and play. I want to thank the family for opening up the viewing late tonight. We're going to get on the bus right now and drive to Whittier so that we can view Kevin's body and try to get some closure and lay him to rest. And then we're going to move on, you know, and it wasn't easy, to be honest with you. A lot of people weren't sure, but somehow, in some way, God thank you, we were able to pick up the pieces and do what we were supposed to do.
It's been very difficult. You have to think, you know, that it could have been any one of our kids that this happened to. So it's been really hard. I know it's really important for them to come back out and everything. I think it helps them take out a little bit of what they're feeling inside and everything, their aggression and all this stuff, and being angry of what happened, you know, a little bit. So I think it's very good for them.